Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. WordPress is a popular content management system, CMS, that allows you to create and manage websites easily. It is a free and open-source platform, known for its user-friendly interface and extensive customization options. WordPress is built on PHP and uses a MySQL database to store website content. Here are some key features and aspects of WordPress. 1. Website creation and management. With WordPress, you can create various types of websites, ranging from simple blogs to complex e-commerce stores and corporate websites. It provides a range of themes and templates that determine the design and layout of your site. 2. Customization and flexibility. WordPress offers a vast library of themes and plugins that allow you to customize the look and functionality of your website. Themes control the appearance, while plugins add specific features and functionalities to your site, such as contact forms, e-commerce capabilities, SEO optimization, and more. 3. Content creation and publishing. WordPress provides a user-friendly editor, known as the Gutenberg editor, that allows you to create and publish content easily. You can add text, images, videos, and other media elements to your pages and posts. It also offers scheduling options to publish content at specific times. 4. SEO-friendly. WordPress is built with search engine optimization, SEO, in mind. It has several built-in features and plugins that help optimize your website for search engines, such as customizable permalinks, meta tags, XML sitemaps, and clean code structure. 5. User management. WordPress allows you to manage user roles and permissions, making it suitable for multi-author websites or sites that require user registrations and interactions. You can control the access levels and capabilities of different user roles. 6. Community and support. WordPress has a vast and active community of developers, designers, and users who contribute to its development, create themes and plugins, and provide support. There are numerous online resources, forums, and documentation available to help you with any questions or issues. 7. Scalability. WordPress is highly scalable, meaning it can handle websites of varying sizes and traffic levels. Whether you have a small blog or a high-traffic enterprise site, WordPress can accommodate your needs. 8. Regular updates and security. The WordPress team releases regular updates, including bug fixes, security patches, and new features. Staying up to date with these updates helps ensure the security and performance of your website. Overall, WordPress is a versatile and powerful CMS that empowers users to create, manage, and customize websites without extensive technical knowledge. It is widely used by individuals, bloggers, small businesses, and even large enterprises due to its flexibility, ease of use, and robust ecosystem of themes and plugins. Here are some ways to potentially earn money from WordPress. 1. Web development services. Offer WordPress web development services to clients. Build and customize websites using WordPress, design unique themes, and provide ongoing maintenance and support. Charge clients based on project scope, hourly rates, or package pricing. 2. Theme development. Create and sell WordPress themes in online marketplaces or through your own website. Develop attractive and functional themes catering to different industries or specific niches. Continuously update and improve your themes based on customer feedback and market demands. 3. Plugin development. Develop custom WordPress plugins to extend the platform's functionality. Identify specific needs or gaps in existing plugins and create solutions to address them. Sell your plugins on WordPress marketplaces or offer premium versions with advanced features. 4. WordPress support and maintenance. Provide ongoing support and maintenance services for WordPress websites. This can include regular updates, security monitoring, troubleshooting, and performance optimization. Offer service plans on a subscription basis or charge hourly rates for ad hoc support. 5. Content writing and blogging. Start a WordPress blog and generate income through content creation. Write high-quality articles, tutorials, product reviews, or industry insights. Monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products like ebooks or courses. 6. WordPress consulting. Offer consulting services to businesses or individuals who want to optimize their WordPress websites. Provide advice on WordPress setup, theme selection, plugin recommendations, SEO optimization, security best practices, and performance improvements. Charge for your consulting services on an hourly or project basis. 7. Website flipping. Acquire underperforming or undervalued WordPress websites, improve them, and sell them at a higher price. Enhance the design, functionality, content quality, and traffic of the website before putting it up for sale on marketplaces or through private sales. 8. Membership sites and online communities. Create a membership website or online community using WordPress. Offer premium content, exclusive resources, forums, or courses behind a paywall. Generate recurring revenue through subscription fees or membership plans. 9. WordPress training and education. Provide training courses, workshops, or online tutorials on WordPress usage, web development, theme customization, or plugin development. Package your knowledge and expertise into educational resources and monetize them through one-time purchases or subscriptions. Remember, success in earning money from WordPress requires a combination of technical skills, industry knowledge, marketing efforts, and a strong understanding of your target audience. It's crucial to continually update your skills, stay up to date with WordPress updates and trends, and deliver high-quality products or services to differentiate yourself in a competitive market. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.